ever pondered what it would be like to possess superhuman abilities? Imagine having the strength of 10 men, or the ability to see in complete darkness. This is the fascinating world of human augmentation, a realm of possibilities where our physical and sensory abilities can be enhanced beyond natural limits. It's a future where technology and biology intertwine, giving birth to a new era of human potential. Bionic limbs that restore mobility, artificial eyes that bring back sight, even super senses that extend our perception beyond the ordinary. These are no longer the stuff of science fiction. For those with disabilities, this could mean a new lease on life, a chance to regain what was lost. But with such power comes great responsibility. The ethical implications are vast and complex. Who gets access to these enhancements? How do we ensure equality? Can you imagine having a bionic limb or super senses? It might not be as far-fetched as it seems. Scene script. Imagine losing a limb and then getting a new one, a bionic one, which can help you lead a normal life, or perhaps even a superior one. Bionic limbs on the surface appear to be stuff of science fiction, but they are rapidly becoming an integral part of our reality. These high-tech prosthetics, powered by a synergy of sensors and motors, are doing wonders in the lives of amputees. Here's how they work. The magic starts with sensors that pick up minute electrical signals from the muscles of the residual limb. These signals are then processed and translated into movements in the bionic limb, almost like a real one. The motors in the bionic limb provide the strength and dexterity, enabling the wearer to perform tasks ranging from the mundane to the extraordinary. The integration of these limbs with the human nervous system is perhaps the most fascinating part. Through a process called targeted muscle reinnervation, nerves that once controlled the amputated limb are redirected to control the bionic